William Lee Adams of WibiBlogs.com. Hello, Israel. Shalom. Eden Allen has released her 4 songs for A Song for Israel. She, of course, won the Next Star, and now the Israeli public and a jury will choose which of 4 songs she will sing at the Eurovision Song Contest. I've got on my blue sweater for Israel. I think we should listen and react. Are you ready? Let's do this! All right, the first song is Savior in the Sound. Oren Emanuel, Talia Londoner, and Uri Avni. Let's see what you got. Hitting play.
Something inside me doesn't feel right. Wires all been cut, sirens go.
It doesn't feel right, but it sounds right.
They're taking over.
Yes, soulful voice. She looks like she's going to the prom, y'all. That sweetheart top. R&B undertone. The fire burns in you, girl. The way that you do. Lava gonna burn. Like the beat.
Only the sound of music can save me now.
Building nicely. Her voice is really the focal point here. Don't cool it down, let the lava flow. System overload. Okay, I need a chorus now. Let's get there. Still waiting. Wait, was there a chorus? I'm very confused. There are a lot of good ideas here, but it's not reaching a moment, a point. Like, I love this bit, the rhythm, the drums. I want her to take me higher, take me somewhere, and then the chorus is weak. If this is the chorus, I'm still confused. System underwhelmed. But they're not pushing your limits, because this song, you're in complete control. Now give me the chorus to show off that soul voice. Honestly, they tease me the whole time, but then they don't deliver. There is no payoff. I like this bridge. The production is good. Okay, now we're doing something. It just took how many minutes? I like this. Oh, that's okay. So the best bit of that song is obviously the end of the song. And I don't mean that to be shady. I mean, I just feel like I'm being dragged along for the first 2.5 minutes. And then she really brings it home. I don't think this is the winner. I haven't heard the other 4 songs. But I don't think there is a savior in this sound. If there's any savior, it is of course, Eden Allen. Our girl is slaying, but I think she can slay harder with a better song.